Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Message of the Chart. Today we will have a chart analysis of the company Hathway Cables. They are in the digital cable service business. They provide also some other products they are having in their pipeline. We will try to have a look at what services they are providing, what is their financial and also the chart analysis. But please don't forget, we will have a look at the business they are in. They are providing digital cable TV mainly. Okay, digital TV. We will see what different products they are offering. The set-top boxes and their tariff structure and other things are given. Then they have exclusive channels. This is interesting. They have some product known as HTube. So you can upload videos here. This is something new to this Indian culture. Because what happened is so far the YouTube is the only place where you can upload the videos and share it with others. But here they are providing a facility wherein you can upload your videos that could be related to festivals, family celebrations, a family outing, kids showcasing their talents. Means all the type of videos which normally the YouTube we will be using to upload, those things we can upload here and it will be broadcasted. That is some new thing I can say, which may become very popular because this will be telecasted in restricted area. So which is for example the Maharashtra, if you say the Ganpati festival is celebrated very in a grand manner, the function related to those festivals and all, if they are telecasted in the TV instead of YouTube, it will be well received by many places. In many places where the internet facility is not so stable or so consistent, there also the cable can provide the services. So they have some dedicated cine channel, shopping, regional entertainment, regional cine, all these things they are having. So this is what they are having in their products and services. Okay, digital cable TV. So they have given, like in all the set-top boxes, they have these facilities and other things. Now we will have a look at the financials. Debt to equity 0, very nice. ROCE, ROE positive, very good. We will have a look at the quarterly result. Okay, there is no dramatic increase, but there is no reduction also. It is almost stable, consistent. Operating profit is slowly inching up. It is very good. Slight reduction here, not huge. Interest outgo, they have done a very good job here, it seems, because they were paying as much as 82 in one quarter, interest 82 crores in one quarter. They reduced it and now it has become 0, which means they might have completely cleared their borrowings. We will be confirming it soon when we are going through the balance sheet. Sales, there is the steady increase up to 2015. Then there is some differences. Now it has stabilized again. Okay. We will see the OPM, operating profit margin. It was good, then it lowered, then again it stabilized, and now it is at its peak, we can say, because March 2021 it is 27%, which has not been seen in the past many years, almost 11 years. So this is one good thing. So they started earning from their operations very nicely. So interest outgo, yes, it is very clear. March 2020 they paid interest alone as 229 crore, which is now just 37 crore, and we know because just we checked the quarterly result, it will be 0 in the next year, because already it has become 0 in the quarterly result. So next year it will be 0 only unless they go for fresh borrowing, but I don't think so, because they might have borrowed and did some good work here. Now they started reaping the benefit out of their expansion and other things. That is what I assume by seeing this information. Profit before tax is at the highest, 279 crores. When the work was in progress, definitely they might have faced some losses. That is why we are having this profit before tax in loss for so many years, but now they started gaining the benefits. So now net profit is also at the highest, 253 crores. This is highest in the 11 years. So very good. Yeah, we will check the borrowings quickly. Yes, the borrowings was as high as 1975 crores in March 2020, but it has become zero in this March 2021, which means they have cleared all these completely, all these borrowings completely. So work in progress was there, now it has reduced and it has become up to 82, means still some work is in progress, but they are managing with their resources, though they are not depending for doing these activities on borrowings. So they cleared the borrowings, and because there is a very good growth in the reserves from 738 crores in March 2010, it has become 3642 crores in March 2021. Very good. So this seems to be very nice. We'll have a look at the shareholding pattern. Wow. First I will show this, you will understand what is happening in this company right now. You see, the shareholding for promoters was at 43-45%, and in March 2019 there was a huge increase in the promoters shareholding. Then up to March 2020 it was 94, then in March 2021 slightly it is reduced, now it is 86.61. If we see what might have happened, you just club this information with the borrowings and the expansion activities and the clearance of the borrowings. This some good player have entered, and it is not a secret who is it. Jio. So you know the work culture of Jio. They entered in March 2019, took very good promoter holding here. From 45% promoter holding it went up to 94 because of their entry. After their entry they might have got good borrowings, they might have go for huge expansion and other infrastructure development. Now they cleared the borrowings also. So now once the profit is visible, they offloaded a little, and whatever they have offloaded has been taken very nicely by domestic institutions and the foreign institutional investors. You can see FII from 2.4%, the holding has gone up to 3.28, and for the mutual funds and the domestic institutional investors from almost nil, 0.17 to 5.62, and another the public shareholding is just 4.5%. I used to say that whenever the public shareholding is less than 10%, the stock is used to rise in a huge manner in days to come. This is one observation I have seen in many companies. So this is poised for a very good growth. Now we will have a look at the chart to know where the price is right now, where it is likely to go in future. Let us go to the chart. We will go to the weekly chart first just to see. We will just draw the major support and resistances for this, so that it will be easier for us to analyze the position. Okay, we will go to the daily chart now. Having marked the support and resistance, we will go to the daily chart and just have a look. The reason why I selected this stock for our discussion today in this video is that these are high volumes. You just have a look at the whole picture to understand the impact of this high volume. It has gone, the lifetime high is as high as 76.40. After that it started coming down and it has become very low. This is of course monthly chart, just to see the high, all-time high. I have gone to this monthly. So this place is a very good support area, and from here the volume has started picking up. This rise is due to this huge volume, and then there is some cool off. Then again now huge volume is visible here, which means that this is possible to go up and break all the resistances one after the other in due course of time, not immediately tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but in the long run, because we have seen the operations and the how they are able to get the profit out of their operations. All these things we have seen. That is why this is possible to get a good return. See, this was support, then it has become resistance. Again it is pierced now with a huge volume. Beauty is the huge, whenever there is huge volume, it has pierced that. It couldn't sustain in the last time. Now again there is a high volume entry. So now let us see. It is supposed to go up. Even otherwise, because the operations and everything is very nice, it may pick up again and it will ultimately it will go up. See, the stocks, whenever it is going high, it has to come down. It is going down unless and otherwise there is a major change in the operations and profitability from their operations. It will again go up only. So this is a very good stock from the chart as well as from their business, and as also from the viewpoint of the promoters. Promoters, they are known for their expertise in managing the companies very nicely. So it may just face some resistances here, but ultimately down the line it is supposed to go and retest their previous high. Not only previous high, it may just go above that also, because they are making their entry, means they are just doing after a lot of analysis. They have invested hugely, means definitely they will ensure that it is operating very nicely and the profits are coming to the company, which automatically will lead the price to go up. Hope this video will be of some help to you. Let us meet once again with a similar video in the days to come. Till then, bye.